Have you ever learned an English word for years, but later discovered that you were pronouncing it wrong?
What if I told you that some of the most common English words are also some of the most commonly mispronounced words?
Don't worry, you're not alone.
Millions of English learners make the same pronunciation mistakes every day.
And today, we're going to fix them together. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Quick Class. My name is David.
And my name is Sarah.
We're happy to have you here today.
In this lesson, we're going to learn some of the most common English pronunciation mistakes that beginners make.
You'll learn the correct pronunciation, hear examples, and practice with us.
So listen carefully and repeat after us.
Let's begin. Our first word is comfortable.
Many learners pronounce it as comfortable.
But that's not how most native speakers say it.
The natural pronunciation is comfortable.
Let's say it together.
Comfortable.
One more time.
Comfortable.
Example sentence.
This sofa is very comfortable.
Next word, vegetable.
Many people pronounce every syllable and say vegetable.
But native speakers usually shorten it.
Vegetable.
Repeat after us.
Vegetable.
Again.
Vegetable.
Example sentence.
I eat vegetables every day.
Let's talk about the month February.
This word confuses many learners.
Some people pronounce every letter.
But in everyday speech, we usually say February.
Repeat after us.
February.
One more time.
February.
Example sentence.
My birthday is in February.
Next word, library.
Many learners accidentally say library.
But the correct pronunciation is library.
Repeat after us.
Library.
Library.
Example sentence.
I go to the library every weekend.
Here's another common mistake.
The word is interesting.
Many learners pronounce every syllable very clearly.
But native speakers often say it more naturally.
Interesting.
Repeat after us.
Interesting.
Interesting.
Example sentence.
That movie was very interesting.
Let's continue with chocolate.
Many learners say chocolate.
Native speakers usually say chocolate.
Repeat after us.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Example sentence.
I love chocolate ice cream.
Next word, probably.
Many people pronounce every syllable separately.
But in normal conversation, native speakers often say probably.
Repeat after us.
Probably.
Probably.
Example sentence.
I'll probably call you tomorrow.
Now, let's practice the word business.
Many learners say boosiness.
The correct pronunciation is business.
Repeat after us.
Business.
Business.
Example sentence.
She owns a successful business.
Next word, clothes.
This word can be difficult for beginners.
Many learners pronounce every sound separately.
But native speakers usually say clothes.
Repeat after us.
Clothes.
Again.
Clothes.
Example sentence.
I bought new clothes yesterday.
Our final word is recipe.
Many learners pronounce it incorrectly because of the spelling.
The correct pronunciation is recipe.
Repeat after us.
Recipe.
Recipe.
Example sentence.
This recipe is easy to follow.
Quick review. Let's review all the words together.
Comfortable.
Vegetable.
February.
Library.
Interesting.
Chocolate.
Probably.
Business.
Clothes.
Recipe. Great job, everyone!
Today, ye learned 10 common English pronunciation mistakes and how to say these words correctly.
Remember, good pronunciation comes from practice, not perfection.
Spend a few minutes every day repeating these words aloud.
The more you practice, the more natural your English will sound.
If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video.
And don't forget to subscribe to Quick Class for more English speaking lessons.
Thank you so much for watching.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and keep practicing your English.